In this activity, we're going to learn to use filters and how to respond to people's videos. Let's start with filters. In order to apply the filter, we're going to head down to the effects. When we click that, you'll notice the very first thing is filters. And when you turn them on, you have a variety of options. Each filter can represent something different, but in this activity, we're going to do a who am I. You're going to share things about yourself and people have to guess who you are. So your best filter choices are probably bricks or pixel. If you ever want to turn a filter off, you can just go to that line through the circle. That clears all your filters. So go ahead and record a video sharing 3 lesser known facts about yourself and apply one of those filters. When you're done, click the link attached to the topic to learn how to respond to a post.